Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access Permission Manager on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and go to Settings and go to Security and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to where you'll find Permission Manager, and as you can see it says allow or deny apps to access features or data on your phone. So if you click on that, you will be able to see the different features on your phone, which is contacts, camera, call logs, location, and so much more. You can see the amount of applications that are currently allowed for each of these features, right? So let's say I would like to see which applications here I'm currently receiving notifications for. You can tap on that as it says 64 out of the 89, and you can see those that are currently enabled. The ones that are enabled are toggled to the right and it's now blue, and the ones that are gray and toggled to the left are currently disabled. So you can come here and you can manage your notifications because you can see for all of those applications which you're currently receiving or not receiving notifications for. Right, if you go back, you have others as well. So you can see for contacts, you can also see for your camera, call logs, your calendar, and so much more, guys. So this is very useful. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and of course I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.